Oo, Sis Raven, next week Holy Week na. Siguro hanggang Wednesday na lang tayo pwede mag-live sa Pinas. Ah, my friend, you're from Indonesia. Hello, Efisa. Mega love shout out, Efisa. Orang Indonesia, my friend, thank you. I'm from Philippines. AB Monster Gaming, ang connect kayo dyan sa mga nasa baba guys. Mag-iwan din po kayo ng bakas para po kayo ay masuklian. Ayan, thank you sa mga nandyan guys. Pa-like and share naman ako mga friends. Pa-like and share. Ayan, baka gusto nyo rin guys bumili ng aming mga panindang ukay. Pumunta na kayo sa aming ukayan. Sabay ganun no? Sa mga Philippines. Ayan. Salamat Sis Raven ng marami sa iyong suporta. My friend Shelby, what time? In Indonesia. In Philippines, it's 2:30 in the Philippines. Kikinig at may kausap kahit dito. Hello, Chuoki! Mega love shout out, my friend. Ayan, my friend, 12:20 p.m. Ah, okay. Ayan, may jacket ka na, Tio, okay. You connect, my friend. You connect to everyone down there. They have a lots of supportive friends. Ayan, Sis Raven from Chuoki, mega love shout out. Thank you for coming. And pa-like and share na rin ako guys sa aking live. My friend, Chuoki, where are you from? Raven Mix Vlog, beautiful ate, mega love shout out. Spill Silana Bilakang Vunfa. My friend Shelby, you're typing, I'm not understand, but I am thankful that you visit my live. Uma ate, okay. I'm a beginner ate. Okay, my friend, okay. Later I will visit your house, then I will give you banana, saging. I will give you a saging later. Antok kaso di naman makahiga. Hehehe. Ayan. Ayan, okay my friend, thank you very much. Siguro 30 minutes lang ako Sis Raven kasi nakadata lang ako dito. Many salamat ate, you're welcome. Okay, okay yan. Ayan, thank you also for visiting my live. Ayan, hindi ako makapagbaba ng Hello, Ate Arenelos Vlog. Mega love shout out. Ayan, thank you sa pagbisita sa aking bahay. Manay Arenelos Vlog. Ayan, okay, you connect Arenelos Vlog. My very supportive friends also from Philippines. Ayan, salamat sa patamsak. Ayan, connect na lang kayo dyan guys. My friend Shelby, thank you my friend. Thank you for the heart, Shelby. Thank you very much. Do you have a channel, my friend, Shelby? Arenelos Vlog, previously connected na ate. Okay, thank you. Ayan, bisita ka sa live niya, my friend. Okay. Marami yan siyang saging. Si Ate Arenelos Vlog. Napaka-supportive niyang ating kaibigan. And also Raven Mix Vlog. Ayan, 24M. Maraming salamat. 5 thumbs up, maraming salamat. Ayan, linggo na dito guys sa Pilipinas. So happy Sunday, Pinas. Salamat Sis Raven sa iyong pakaway-kaway dyan. Sa mga patambay, salamat po. Sis Raven, nakakapagbaba ba ng link dito pagka ito lang telepono gamit?